BookMint review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called BookMint. So right now we are on a sales page where you can get a discount. I guess that will give you maybe $3 off. So BKM30 off. You can use that coupon along with these two more. So $3 discount coupon BKM3 off and $5 coupon BKM5 off and 20% coupon code BKM20 off. I'm losing so much money. Use some of these coupons and then go and grab your copy. So how do you come to the sales page? For that, click on the link below my YouTube video, which will be saying grab a BookMint AI copy here. Click on that link and then come to the sales page and then go grab your copy. And if you want to know about the bonuses, then make sure you watch the video till the end because I don't talk about bonuses in the beginning. So I'll do the review, then bonuses, and then ways to make money online. So on the sales page, it says world's first fully autonomous Amazon publishing AI agent that researches, writes, formats, and auto publishes Kindle books, print on demand books, audibles, storybooks. So long story short, you will be able to create some books which you can publish on Amazon and Audible. So click on watch demo here and then you will come to this demo video which you have to see. This is a 6 minutes long demo video. So let me show you what this demo video is all about. And then you can see yourself. So you are into the dashboard right now and you go to competitors, keyword research. So do your keyword research as per the country and rankings, and then you will get some keywords. And using those keywords, you can start creating your book, right? So you can see the volume, the competition. You should choose, decent volume with low competition. That should be the strategy. And that's your one keyword. And based on that, you search for products, I guess, and then you create your whole ebook, okay? So let's see what's the next step is going to be. So these are the results. I think these are the books which are already published on Amazon, okay? Now, how do you create the book yourself using this software? So you copy the title, or you can see this one is already published, okay? So this one is already published and selling on Amazon. So you have to just replicate. You just have to do the same thing, choose your niche, then publish a book, and hopefully you'll get some sales, okay? So you can analyze trends, that is there any demand for this particular niche or not? And after analyzing it, you can see here, number 1, 2, 3, it's all about food and cookbook, recipe book. Now time to create your own book. So what do we do for that? Let me show you here. So where do we go? We go to AI book creator here, and then you can just type in some keyword here, I guess. So you can create audio book as well. Now just give it a keyword. So we have pasted that title, okay? So we have given the title of the book and it's researching everything, niche, keyword, book, manuscript, cover, interior, this and that. This will take a couple of minutes. And let's forward this, and we are still generating it, so you can see. And now the end result is going to be something like this, okay? So it has taken maybe 2-3 minutes to generate all of this, and you have some chapters. You have 15 chapters, as you can see, and this is your end result, I guess. So this is the ebook on your screen with 15 chapters with ebook cover and everything, and is ready to be published on Amazon. So now you can go and watch this demo video in your free time on the sales page here, and then go and grab the copy using my link below. Let's check some question answers first. So what exactly is BookMint? BookMint is the world's first fully autonomous AI agent for Amazon Kindle and Audible publishing. It's a complete hands-free system that researches niches, writes books, designs covers, create audio books, and publishes directly to Amazon. Okay. Do you need to be tech savvy? No. How long does it take to create a book? It's 5 minutes, I would say. Doesn't Amazon ban AI books? No. What if my books don't sell? Well, not every book becomes a bestseller, so keep publishing. I'm not a writer. Will this work for me? Yes. What if I have questions or need help? Contact the support, or they have some videos. Can I really make money with this? Oh, yes. Do I need to pay monthly fee? No. What formats does BookMint supports? Mobi. And audiobook, this and that. So is this legal and ethical? Of course it is. How fast can I see results? Well, as soon as you buy this. Okay, so let's talk about some OTOs right here. So these are OTOs front end. You can use the coupon code and get $5 off and get this in $12. Then you can buy the unlimited in OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go and pick and choose these OTOs and grab the unlimited version. So in OTO 1, I believe that you will get the unlimited. So go and buy using my link below. You will find the link below my YouTube video. And if you want to know about bonuses and how to make money online, then watch the video till the end. Alright humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.